Good morning Internet, this is Michael from Trike Bike, and today we're going to do another advanced riding techniques video. A lot of people always mention I'm having trouble getting up and down gutters, so today we're going to explain it to you and we're going to tell you how to safely ride up and down gutters without any problems. Okay, so a normal bicycle riding off a gutter, the front wheel will drop and then the back wheel will drop. And it'll happen all at the same time and keep everything level. With a tricycle, however, if you're coming off at an angle, you won't only get that forward movement, you'll also get a sideways movement of your seat. And that's what a lot of people find uncomfortable until they know what's happening and know how to control it. So if a tricycle comes off a gutter at an angle, first of all, what will happen is one wheel will drop and you'll see the tricycle has leaned over quite a bit. And then if we go a bit further, the other wheel will drop and the tricycle is back to being level. Now, if you know what's happening and you're prepared, you'll be able to get up and down the gutter without any problems. But first, let's just try a normal gutter with what we call a driveway entry. Okay, this is a normal gutter and we're going to go straight down to the road. So we just roll down, you'll see the tricycle doesn't move, completely safe. I'll go back up again straight at a straight angle. And again, you can see the tricycle went up that without any problems. I'm going to go now down at about a 45-degree angle. So we're just going to roll down. Now the tricycle now is wanting to lean a little bit to the right, and that's completely safe and okay. So I'm just going to release the brakes and we're going to roll down. And again, no hands, perfect way to ride up and down. We'll go back up there again on an angle and you'll see we just ride up. The tricycle will lean a little bit, but we don't have any problems. Okay, this gutter is about 200 millimeters high. The first thing we need to know about riding off gutters is don't leave your pedals down low, because if I roll off this, it's more likely that my pedal is going to hit the ground and that'll cause me some disturbance. I'll get up, a bit worried that it's scraping, there'll be some strange sounds. So when you're going to go off a gutter, I would strongly recommend having your pedals high and level. So I'm going to go down the gutter at 45 degrees and this is where we can expect sideways movement as well as vertical movement. So I'm just going to go over. Okay, front wheel is down and I'll just let it roll forward. Again, we need to lift the weight a little bit up and you'll see the back wheel will drop. And then the other wheel, that I've allowed the tricycle to move underneath me. We can do the same going up the gutter, but I'd recommend just getting off and just pushing it up. And most people don't ride at slow speeds. So let's see how we go off the gutter at speed. So again, the importance is to keep your body central, let the tricycle move underneath you, and again, just stand up a little bit to get your bum out of the seat so it can move around. I'm going to lift myself out of the seat a little bit and just let the tricycle roll off. So I did that fairly effortlessly and I can still keep riding. Now you must remember that these are advanced riding techniques. They're not suitable for everybody. Take your time, find a smaller gutter first. This is quite a large one at 200 millimeters plus. That's about probably 9 inches. Just take your time, find a small gutter, but just be aware that riding over big bumps like this, you're not going to fall off. You let the tricycle move underneath you and expect that, unlike a bicycle where it will only move in this direction, expect it also to move in this direction. Anyway, that's it for me. You can find more riding techniques on our YouTube channel, and I really thank you for watching.